Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, I'm back again because I see some things in the article, my wisdom warriors, and sit well with me at all. So firstly, me go touch upon Christopher Tufton because him just run out, Him just run right out. And now he is saying that all donated ventilators is accounted for. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is advising that all ventilators that were donated to the government as part of the country's COVID-19 response are accounted for and are at facilities island-wide. Don't you hear the word when you use? Don't you hear disappear? Yeah? Listen. The him say they are accounted for and are at facilities. He never said in their hospital, and clinics. He said facilities. Then he continued to say that during the height of the pandemic, the Southern Regional Health Authority received 6 ventilators, while the Western Regional Authority and the Southeast Regional Health Authority benefited from 8 and 23 respectively. 8 and 23. Okay, so that means one of them gets 6. Because we have to do the maths, we have to maths it up. Because we know how them talk already. I be a PR thing them depend. Alright. So, him say, the Southern Regional Health Authority received 6 ventilators. Yeah? While the Western Regional Authority and the Southeast Regional Health Authority benefited from 8 and 23. So that means 6 and then the next one at 8 and then the next one at 23, my wisdom warriors. All right? Remember say 150 ventilators, Europe give them, Remember say me put it over here, Remember say me post it, Remember me post it, I think it was yesterday, I believe, or the day before. Remember me show in the article. Kamina Johnson explain it and say it out her own mouth. It was over 150 ventilators. Then if you add 23 and 6, how much that? And then you add 8, how much that? Reach 150. And then again, in Gwaan and said, some of them, there are some facilities. So remember, in name out 3 hospital where the ventilators there. And then he said the rest, they have the facilities. So what are those facilities for? Why the ventilators them never given across the island to each hospital? Even 2 to each hospital or 3 to each hospital. Why one hospital alone I get 23? Why one hospital alone I get 23 ventilators? If you don't have enough, you have to share this, You have to share it accordingly, You have to assess, you have to analyze situation, So, you get over 150 ventilators. You only give it 23, then you say you give it 8, then you say you give it 6. You do all of that. So, with the rest of the ventilators them there, you say they are facilities. Which facilities? The facilities they don't have name. What happened to the hospital? Remember, my wisdom warrior, this they use and trick people, He never said they are hospital, He said it is at facilities. So facilities can be anything. It is alleged that the ventilators then they are private hospital. You understand? When a public hospital forget these things. Private hospital for provide for themselves, them have money. Because we, the Jamaican people, can't turn up a private hospital and they look on we free. That will never happen. You have to pay for that. So anything anybody send, Kongi, the hospital, them in a Jamaica, it should go to the public hospital, not the private hospital. So Christopher Tufton, when you come out and talk, you need to fix up your folly ground. Fix up your words, them. I know who you chat to. Because I know everybody here can fool. You come out here with a PR stunt, PR foolishness. Eh? I can't talk about how ventilators that were donated to the government as part of the country's COVID, blah, blah, blah. Eh? It was accounted for and are at facilities. What facilities you talk about? What facilities? You only tell us about Southern Regional Health Authority. And then you go back again and tell us about Southeast and Western Regional Authority. So, what are the facilities? Me no know. You never say hospital. You never said the rest them did given to the hospitals across Jamaica. You never said that. You said facilities. My wisdom warriors. You said the trick. This is the trick now, you know. I want the labor right then read this now with them. I can say same thing. Christopher come out and say this and say that and saying give it to the hospital when he never saying give it to the hospital. He's saying give it to facilities. Why you never say hospital? Facilities can be anything. You have to say hospital. You have to say hospital. We know what you talk about. Because we can't trust you. You cannot be trusted. As far as Mr. Christopher Tufton, you need to resign. You need to resign because you just come out and you say you can't provide for all of the hospital them in Jamaica. And that you say. My wisdom warriors, and my word, a Christopher Tufton word, and that him say, and that him go live, which him claim him wrist broke and him foot. I don't know what do him foot. If I broke, you broke or what, I can't tell you. And that them, there's something they come out and talk about accident and emergency. And that thing come out and talk about, this man crazy, me I tell you. This man, you know, make no sense. How you have A&E across Jamaica? You have any across Jamaica, and you go say, I know all accident and emergency hospital can provide for your patient. If the hospital them cannot provide for the patients, lock them down. Shut them. It don't make no sense. This is why I call them a dead house. Because people go there, you understand, because them sick and they want to come out better. So if them go to one hospital and only can provide the care, lock the hospital, shut it down. It don't make no sense. It don't make any sense. This is why people dying in the hospital. Seriously. Seriously, because the people then send ventilators now for issue out to the hospital, and you can't tell we say only 3 hospital alone you give it to, and the rest their facilities. Which facilities? Oh, you can't call them 3 name there, but the rest you never say hospital. Which facilities? Me tell us, brother, when you come out and attack, you have to fix up your word. Fix your word, because I be a PR thing when you come out with and think that people are idiot. We are reading, no. Nobody feels that we not reading, no. We are reading, no. And we know that we don't care about us. We know that. We know that, Christopher Tufton. That's why you have to go. You must resign, you know. You must resign. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about that. Anyway, I have a piece of attack claps for Japan, uno. I don't know if you see it already. So, uno no know so the people them out of protest right now. Uno can't miss the security, then take it to the street and not normal. King Alarm, then take it to the street, my wisdom warriors, and not normal taking this.
We are being overworked.
And not take
One team in Spanish Town, one in Portmore. Oh, one hurt. We are there working. We are there working miracles out there. We have been bombarded with signals. Believe me, we are tired of this and we are being underpaid. Underpaid. We cannot feed our families.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what the people them say? Wanna hear what the people them say?
More team leaders because they hear that we are going to unionize.
They're giving an increase also.
Why were you demoted?
No one tell me.
Demote more than one team leaders because they are a part of the union, because I heard that they got the list of persons because we are far advanced to be unionized.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear all them something here? Wanna hear what the people them say? The people them say the money where them a get is not enough. It cannot feed them families. They have been underworked. They not get good pay. And on top of that, a lot of team leaders lose them position. You don't see what Gwaan. You don't hear what the youth say. Because they join a union. Me tell us that them a people are only thing they ain't good for do a sabotage people. They want to walk out the Jamaican people them. Walk them out for nothing. Uno fi stop it, man. Uno fi stop it. People have them family for take care of. But uno not easy. Walk out the people them and pay the people them money. Now give the people them good pay. Security forget good pay because them a risk them life. They not forget no minimum wage. A foolishness that. Foolishness that. When you say security is out, them a risk them life. So they forget good pay. Uno too wicked, man. My wisdom warriors are king alarm people them, you know. Them tired of it, you know. The people they say they tired of the foolishness. When me see these people come out and a protest, me feel good in my spirit. Remember me tell you that. Me feel good. You understand? And when una come out and protest, no 1 and 2 times. Una fi come out and protest all the time until them fix it. Look how other day the taxi driver didn't come out. 1 number day they come out or 2 day alone they come out. 1 number day and 2 number day they come out. And then now you hear the government talk about the taxi drivers, they never win. This what I try to show you, be a political strategy thing they deal with. Them put everything political, as they never win. If people them come out and a protest for better, and you talk about win. Me telling about these people, see them, how in the diaspora they come out and a protest. They come out protesting and the government a laugh and a talk about that still not stop them. I don't understand, no. My wisdom warrior, hear this. State Minister in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Orlando Terrelong, says a series of protests in Washington, D.C. by a faction of the Jamaican diaspora has not affected the attendance or mood of the 10th Biennial Diaspora Conference. My wisdom warrior, when I hear this, yeah? The people them in the diaspora go out and a protest against the wickedness the government are doing in Jamaica. And this a terror tongue, boy, yeah, come out of the audacity. Fear run off him out and talk about. This is the only thing he can come out and say. Talk about it hasn't changed or affect their mood. Nobody now do no competition with Uno, brother. Nobody now compete. Una alone in a competition. Una alone a compete against people. Nobody now compete against Uno. Diaspora now compete against Uno. Diaspora is out protesting for the betterment of Jamaica. You understand? Them a protest for the voiceless. Them a talk up for the voiceless. So me not understand you, Terrelong. Me telling about them everything. Everything in my wisdom warrior. These labor right people are push it from PNP. Say a political this. One of them a be political. The people they come out and a protest about all the wrongdoings that Andrew Wallace's administration is doing. And Terrelong have the audacity to come out and utter such nonsense all time out. I will give him this a position here. Andrew Wallace come like a madman. Or you fear give them a type of people. Me no know. My wisdom warriors. Seriously. Una hear them something here? Eh? The people they come out and a protest and you Uno compete. Diaspora is not competing against Uno. Anything Uno want do, Uno do. Because Uno do things for money. When the people they go to protest and the money they do it for love. And through them care. But Uno heartless. Uno nyam with people money that Uno do. Anyone figure create money. That's all Uno do it for. Uno is a money grabber. Uno is a wicked set of people around Jamaica. And the world need to know about Uno. Me don't know how. Me don't know how. Good morning Britain. Good morning Canada. Good morning America. No see them things here. Eh? How come CNN News now pick up these things? Me I go start tag them, you know. Me I go start tag CNN News, BBC News, Good Morning Britain, the whole of them me I go start tag. Sky News, the whole of them me I go start tag. You know too out of man. People for see what happening in Jamaica. And you know come talk about a compete against diaspora. What? Are you being serious? You see, me say them something. Hey, my wisdom warriors, me telling you about these people, you know. Them are people if you go down, you know. Them are people enough in a parliament. Them are people here, all them do a come boast. Diaspora, it don't affect. You shouldn't shame yourself. And that if you come out and I say Terrelong, you have to come out and say, you see what happened, you know, and you're going to make things better, and you're going to try to make things better. That's all no fair talk. Me blows and skirt, my wisdom warrior. Dirty people them here. Dirty people them. They not have no heart and no love for Jamaican people. Imagine the diaspora come out and everything when the diaspora come out and say it's true. And I like say a lie. Evidence is there. Evidence is there. Evidence is there, my wisdom warriors. And Terror Lang decided to come. That's all in good for. See him when put up in sit down and have PJ Patterson and all of them picture up on wall and cross out and black out PJ face and Portia Simpson face with him bright and out and all that. This a boy. This a boy. I go on like him as somebody. I go on like him as somebody. I tell you about these people in my wisdom warriors. Judge, I know. Hey. Andrew Wellness, man, you are the worst ever happening in Jamaican history. Worst. Worst. You really are going to bring a legacy with you. Legacy of wickedness. Legacy. We will never forget you. We will never forget you. You will go down in our history. You will go down in our history. Remember, say that I say you want, legacy, legacy you want, legacy you go get. Your legacy will be a legacy of wickedness. Everything that you do to the Jamaican people. Nobody thinks that we forget. We not forget. And then have this little send out boy and send out girl chat peer shit all over social media. My wisdom warriors, this is bad. This is really bad. Because if you have diaspora coming out, protesting for the betterment of Jamaica, calling upon the government for changing ways, and then you have Terror Lang. We are represent we. And this a boy enough to represent we. I owe him. This a boy enough to represent we. This a boy if you go one side. Because him name mix up in a be a bangarang. Serious, my wisdom warrior, if you don't want to hear the bangarang, me go put the link with me TikTok and una go hear that the bangarang there. Hey. Uno I go hear that bangarang there. My wisdom warrior, imagine there has been 3 protests since the year start. 3 protests and all them do a boast and I say, it doesn't affect us. It doesn't affect us. They shouldn't be ashamed of themselves. Like idiots them. Shouldn't be ashamed. When I boast, it doesn't affect us. People are laugh after Uno. You go in front. Yeah? People. And attack them. And the world is watching because other people in other country are black about Uno. And no, not no good. Uno need to go Google good and then Uno will see everybody know about Jamaica. How Andrew Wellness is the worst prime minister ever. Everybody know that. So my wisdom warriors, Uno tell me what you think. Like and share out the video. Subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Uno can reach me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is going to be in the comment section. Also, follow me on TikTok and IG. The link I got in the comment section. Feel free to support my movement by blessing up my PayPal. The link I got in the comment section. Blessings upon blessings. One love.